Welcome to our channel. Let's get you logged into your ACX Narrator account quickly and easily. Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to start your audiobook journey with ACX, you'll need to know exactly how to log into your Narrator account without any hassle. This step-by-step guide will make it simple and straightforward so you can get right to narrating. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the official ACX website. Make sure you're on the correct site by checking the URL to avoid phishing scams. Once there, look for the sign-in button, typically located in the upper right corner of the home page, and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you will be asked to enter your credentials. Enter your username or the email address you registered with. Then input your password, carefully paying attention to capitalization and any special characters. If you have forgotten your password, don't worry, there is a link to reset it just below the password field. Simply click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to your email. After entering your details, double-check them to ensure there are no typos, because even a small error will prevent you from logging in. Next, click the Login button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your ACX Narrator dashboard, where you can manage your profile, browse available audiobooks, or start new narration projects. If you're trying to log in from a new device or location, ACX might ask for additional verification, such as entering a code sent to your email or phone for security purposes. Make sure you have access to these to complete the process smoothly. That's all there is to it. Logging into your ACX Narrator account is a simple process that gets you one step closer to sharing your voice with the world. Remember, keeping your password secure and never sharing your login details helps protect your account and your hard work. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with more helpful tips on audiobook narration and more.